Welcome. In front of me I have Honor 20 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how easy you can set up PIN code on your SIM card. So at the first you have to go for the settings, find security, click on the more settings, tap on the encryption and move to the SIM card. Right now tap on the switcher, input your new PIN code, click OK, and right now when we are going to boot our device, I'm going to restart. You will see that after that the PIN code will be required to open the device. And as you can see right now we have to input our PIN code to open the SIM. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.